Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to cook chicken with broccoli. First, prepare your ingredients for a delicious meal. Cut about 1 pound of boneless, skinless chicken breast or thighs into uniform 1-inch pieces. Next, chop 1 large head of fresh broccoli into small, bite-sized florets. Have your favorite seasonings and 1 tablespoon of cooking oil ready to go. This preparation ensures a smooth cooking process. Now, let's get that chicken cooking. Heat 1 tablespoon of your chosen cooking oil in a large skillet or wok over medium-high heat. Once the oil is shimmering, add your chicken pieces in a single layer. Cook them for about 5 to 7 minutes, stirring occasionally. You want the chicken to be beautifully golden brown on all sides and fully cooked through, reaching an internal temperature of 165 degrees Fahrenheit. With the chicken perfectly cooked, it's time to introduce our vibrant broccoli. Add the prepared broccoli florets directly into the skillet with the chicken. Next, pour in about 1/4 cup of water or chicken broth. Cover the skillet and let the broccoli steam for 3 to 5 minutes. This method ensures the broccoli becomes tender crisp, retaining its lovely color and nutrients. Almost done. Remove the lid from the skillet and stir in your preferred sauce, perhaps a teriyaki or a simple garlic and soy blend. Cook for another 1 to 2 minutes, allowing the sauce to thicken slightly and coat everything beautifully. Taste and adjust seasonings as needed. Serve this delicious chicken and broccoli dish immediately, either on its own or alongside some fluffy rice for a complete meal.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.